Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Our focus today is on insects, and we are going to look at the stages of development of some insects. Insects, we see them everywhere, at home, in school, on the playground, everywhere. But how do these insects come to be? Do they fall from the sky, or do they come from the ground? Insects are organisms that are produced through reproduction. When adult insects reproduce, the eggs grow to become what we see around. These new eggs produced go through the life cycle, and in the process, they experience changes, which is called metamorphosis. Insects go through complete and incomplete metamorphosis, or change. In complete metamorphosis, the insect goes through 4 stages of changes. The first is the egg stage. Eggs are laid by female parents on leaves, stagnant water, or in egg cases. These eggs begin to grow and they change to larvae. The larva stage is a stage where the eggs change to a worm-like organism called a larvae. They also carry out molting, where they shed off their old skins and produce new skins. They are also food lovers. The larvae of a butterfly is a caterpillar. The larvae of a housefly is a maggot. And the larvae of a beetle is a grub. The next stage is the pupa stage. The pupa stage is a stage where the larvae goes into a form of isolation or hiding in order to develop into an adult. Some scientists call it the resting stage. In butterflies, the larvae creates a cocoon or chrysalis, and it hides there for weeks before changing to an adult. From the pupa stage, the insect grows to become an adult. Having completed the 4 stages of metamorphosis, it is now fit to reproduce and can now freely move around. Insects like butterfly, beetles, flies, mosquitoes, etc. goes through complete metamorphosis. Incomplete metamorphosis. In incomplete metamorphosis, the eggs do not change to larvae or to pupa. Rather, they grow to become a young adult, and this young adult is called a nymph. The nymph stage is the second stage in incomplete metamorphosis. In this stage, the insect looks like a small adult. There is a much resemblance between the nymph and the adult. The adult stage is the stage where the wings of the insect, that is for those having wings, get formed. The insect can now reproduce. The adult stage is the last change the insect will undergo before the death stage in its life cycle. Most insects we see around are in their adult stage, and in this stage, they can also reproduce. Insects like termites, cockroaches, grasshoppers, crickets, etc. goes through incomplete metamorphosis. So, the origin of insects is no more a mystery to us. Read the questions carefully and answer them correctly. In which stage of development do insects often look like tiny worms? The adult stage, the egg, or the larva stage? Is the change that takes place in the growth of human beings more like that of complete or incomplete metamorphosis? Some insects undergo a complete metamorphosis, whereas others undergo an incomplete metamorphosis. What changes are the same in both complete and incomplete metamorphosis?